Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Casheo.co. Let's talk all about this GPT website, what it's about, how can you make money from this website. Is it worth your time? That's really important, right? And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a solution where you can make, way more income than you can on Casheo. So stick around till the end of the video. Now, Casheo is one of those new GPT style websites. It's been around since 2001. And a GPT style website allows you to basically come online. You can sign up for free basically, okay? So just click on join and they just need your username, your email address, and your password twice, and then you can sign up, right? And essentially all you're doing here is you are filling out surveys, you're playing a few games, and you're watching videos, and they allow you to generate income based on the actions that you take. Okay, it's as simple as that, right? So GPT stands for get paid to do something. Now, please understand that all GPT sites all around the world, and I've reviewed hundreds of them currently up until this stage, are all pretty much the same. Okay, they're not designed to get you rich. The only thing that you need to know is what is the threshold, how, when can you withdraw your money, how can you withdraw your money, and whether it's legitimate or not. Some are legitimate and some are not legitimate. It just depends on the website. But all of them aren't designed to make you rich because of the business model. They're not able to give you that much money because they're not really generating that much revenue. They generate revenue through their ad network in the background and their partner programs, but they can't pay out that much money because their revenue model isn't that big, okay? So you can make money from this program, but you're going to be spending a lot of time trying to earn your points, but at the end of the day, you're going to be making below $1 per hour, roughly. That's on average, okay? So basically, if you come here and you sign up, you can fill out a survey, okay? For every survey that you complete, you will get roughly about 25 points, all right? That's equivalent to roughly about 20 cents to 50 cents to a dollar, depending on the survey website that you fill out from, right? Now, unfortunately, you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day because that's not how survey sites work. But you're able to generate income from a very low skill set, which is pretty cool, okay? You can also watch videos, right? And every video you watch, again, it's equivalent to about 1 cent or less than 1 cent per video that you watch. So again, you're gonna have to watch quite a lot of videos before you can rack up enough points to convert into $1, for example, okay? Again, it's gonna take you a few hours at least, just 100% focus on the website before you earn $1. Is it possible to earn $1 a day? Yes, it's possible, but it might take you 1 to 3 to 4 hours depending on how much time you put into the website to earn $1. Okay, so that's a lot of time if you think about it, right? You can also generate more points from playing games, okay, and then recommending this website to your friends and family as well. So you get a small 5% commission, and that's kind of how they reward you for sharing this with people all around the world, okay? Now, how do you get access to your money? Well, there are a few ways. You can get access to your money through PayPal, which is a $1 threshold, which is really cool because most of these kind of websites have a $10 threshold, right? So it takes a while to rack up points until $10. That could take you months, all right, depending on how much time you spend on the website. But $1 is great. So if you spend maybe 2 hours on this website, you get $1, and then you can withdraw your money through PayPal every single day. But again, if you think about it, even if you were making $1 every single day, that's still only $30 a month, right? And you might be spending 2-3 hours a day on this website, and that's really, really little money, okay? Now, of course, if you're in a part of the world where $1 is a life-changing type of amount of income, then that's great, right? But for the most part, Casheo is available in most of the big countries around the world, like the US, like Europe, things like that. And so $1 isn't going to go very far. I mean, we're talking about $30 a month. Maybe if you hustle like crazy, you would make $60 a month, perhaps, from Casheo. But again, is $60 really going to change your life, especially when you're spending 2 or 3 hours a day on this website, right? So real money, which is great, low skill set way. Anybody can come on here. You can fill out surveys, you can watch videos, you can play some of their games. But again, we're talking $1 to $2 a day, okay? And that's if you're doing it for hours. They also pay out through Discord. They can give you a Roblox credit card. Well, you can exchange it for credits, right? Roblox credits. Steam as well. And these are some of the different places that you can withdraw your money from, which is pretty cool, okay? Some of them is a little bit higher. Some have $5 thresholds, but the PayPal money is a $1 threshold, which is very, very cool. All right. So the thing I like about Casheo is that they have low thresholds, so people can withdraw their money daily, which is cool. And they are legitimate. They really do pay out income. Okay. So if you want to check out Casheo, one of the legitimate GPT websites out there, Casheo.co. It's a free way to make money. You just have to invest your time. But again, I think that there are better ways for you to make big money. Look, if you have 2 to 3 hours a day and you want to learn to make big money, there's better ways for you to do it than Casheo, right? But it requires you to learn a real skill set. So a real high income skill set. It's going to require a bit more work than just watching videos and taking surveys, but you can build a real business. Okay, so if you would like to learn how I did that, how I generate $5 to $1,000+ a day inside of my business, and how I've taught thousands of people all over the world to do the same thing, then I've got a free 6-figure workshop that will teach you how to do that online. Okay, so you can just click the link below, register for that workshop. I'll show you how I've built my business out, and you can check it out if you would like, right? Completely up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. That's Casheo, a legitimate GPT website you can check out if you want. And if you would like to learn to earn the big money, I hope to see you in the workshop. Take care and all the best.